Welcome to a new video. This is part 2 for the videos on CRV and IOW. In the last part, I talked about what CRV was and what would be the variables if we consider a system of boiling milk in a stove. I also discussed about the variable of temperature. Please check out the previous video for this. Now let's look at the volume of the milk. So that is the second variable, second critical variable. This is so if we suppose maintain the temperature at the required point and we get the assured boiling, that is good. So we have maintained it at the critical point. But what if the volume of the vessel is enough, not enough, or more? So if the volume of the milk is 1 liter, and let's say we take three conditions. We take a vessel which is exactly 1 liter. We take another vessel which has a volume of around 3 liters, and we take another one which is around, say, 75 liters. So in the initial stage itself, in the smallest vessel, your system is going to become unreliable because the volume of the milk will not fit in the vessel at all. So there's no question of boiling it. We can't go to the further stage. In the second one, it will just fit. So it will fit technically at room temperature. This will satisfy the criteria of maintaining the reliability of the system, but on boiling it may go over, may overflow. So that is going to upset the system. Third is using a larger vessel. Now in this it is going to fit, and 3 liters is a pretty big vessel. So here, even if you go to the highest, even if you keep on boiling the milk, it will not overflow at all. This is something that I've got from personal experience. So it will remain boiling in the vessel itself. So we have to, from these three sections, we have to maintain, we have to find out what would be the parameter of the critical of the variable. So here the variable is volume, but the volume of that vessel, so we are looking at the equipment. So volume of the equipment will not be 1 liter. It would be more than 1 liter, ensuring that it remains in the vessel even after the completion of the process. So that is the second critical variable. The third critical variable would be the time. So if suppose we maintain the previous two conditions at required time, so say we maintain the temperature at 95 degrees Celsius and we take a 3 liter vessel. Now here if we if we keep it and we stop, we take three conditions for time. Say let's say 1 minute, say 10 minutes, and let's say 2 hours. If we take 1 minute, 1 minute would probably heat it up from room temperature to the 95 degrees Celsius, or may not heat it up. So 1 minute may be too short a time to ensure boiling. Second condition is 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, maybe it will definitely heat it up to 95 and boil it as well. Third condition is 2 hours. So let's say we have just kept it and forgotten about it. So it will definitely heat it to 95 degrees Celsius, and it will remain boiling. If it remains boiling for 2 hours, it is going to go bad. It is going to go bad, become really condensed, and may not be good enough for us to drink, change in taste. So time is also a critical variable. So in this case, the time here that we want to maintain should be more or less around 10 minutes. So that is the third critical variable. Now, when we want to take all these critical reliability variables and see how to actually maintain it, that brings us to the integrity operating windows. So I will handle this integrity operating windows in the next video.